Yikes.
There we go. They're coming. You have to kind of build them up.
Yeah.
That's what my best word. Yeah. Who's that dang hiccup?
Yeah.
Oh man, I gave my I gave myself hiccups. Oh well, may as well have fun with them while they
Last.
Excuse me. Oh god, they're coming now. I told you these ones hurt. But these ones hurt. Oh. Mine usually hurt and end up with a burp. They're never normal hiccups. Always burp. I was going hit or that was silent. They usually never silent. I'm gonna. Okay. I hate hiccups, but I really hate hiccups. I despise hiccups, but I have a way to get rid of them. It's kind of complicated, and it might not work for you, but it works for me. Like 95% of the time. What if I? Okay, let me just cut to the chase. Take a glass of water. Doesn't have to be big. Okay, you just drink it. You're holding your breath. You drink water, and keep holding your breath even while you're drinking. Then slowly let your breath out. That's what I do. And it always works for me. Gotta go before my hiccups kill me and you. Bye. That was me.